Good night. Me go give you a tour. You know, then just do all kind of house tour. This is a Guyanese house tour. First thing, when you're going to Guyanese house, you will find matching blind. If you see this blind over here, if you look so, you will see the same blind again, and they're never done. If you keep going, just walk. Next thing, you're gonna turn on the light there by. Next thing, you're gonna see same blind again. Guyanese house always got blind. Next thing we're gonna always find in a Guyanese house is plant. You see that? That's one plant. If you see only one plant, no, say them is not Guyanese. No. Guyanese would got sometimes two plants. And sometimes they even got three plants. You will always find that in a Guyanese home. Now, when it's Christmas time, you're gonna always see the table decorate like if they're going to eat, but don't get stupid and not get no food there. The plate where you gotta eat it, don't die the receiver. Yes, you see? Yeah, this is when visitor come for see what nice thing they got. That's what this got this out here for. You're using though. No. And the next thing you're gonna always find in a Guyanese house is artificial flower. You see that? Nice flower, artificial. Not fancy. And it always sometimes they're in a big vase. Sometimes they got it in a little vase. Yes, you see that? Now you're gonna always find a clock. They got a clock. Alright, you wanna see the clock? You're fast. Alright, I'm gonna show you. Look. No matter with the time, we don't care what time. Once we clock nice, it got nice decoration. Next day, all around, we just put it up. We don't care if it's quarter past 10 or not. We ain't got time with that. Next thing I'm gonna find is picture. We got no picture. Since we the small, we used to do picture like a picture. And then, you see, look, yes, picture, yes, picture, yes, picture, yes, picture, yes, picture, yes, picture, no picture. Yes. Now, don't forget, they always got a stereo. Guyanese, let me tell you why I like we people. We just, even if the stereo working or not, know that it got there in a Guyanese house. They just put up this stereo and it got the cassette thing to, you know. They don't forget nothing. Leave it to a Guyanese. They just remember everything by. And let me show you the last one I show you. Look. Oh, we got two more things for show you this. Got a pet. A pet who can't talk, can't walk, nothing. It just make out of four. And the final thing, Guyanese always got to get a Guyanese made ornament. Yes. See? This is so I take a bottle and they make an S on it. You see that? That is Guyanese for you. So I'm glad you enjoyed it. And you see, because she ain't got a shelf for you, so got remember the shelf with a fart, a little fart, box thing in it. We used to get like 40,000 ornament. She ain't got that, but she still got them little ornament. We used to be them crack on the thing. You see that? Good. That is a Guyanese house for you. Welcome. Oh, wait, I gotta show you. Remember this boat? Oh gosh, it's a long time we see this boat by. You remember that? Wow. That is a Guyanese house, right?